Kelsey. What are you doing? Hey, Kelsey. What are you doing here? You at your Grammy and Grandpa's house? Oh, falling again.
Door? Not finished with the door yet?
I got a new lock for it though. It'll be the same as those 4 security ones, at least 5 will be the same. But I gotta get copies made of the key for everybody. I forgot to do that when I was at Home Depot. I'm done.
Hey, Kelsey, careful.
Talking to her whale friends.
Say hi, whale friend. Whoa, big noise. Kelsey, what are you doing? Hi, Kelsey.
Finding all moving parts.
Kelsey. Ah! She's coming to get me. Oh. Kelsey, you're tired, huh? Oh. It's hard to take a picture of you when you're... Come over here.
Watches.
Whoa, bonk. Yeah. That's silly, huh, Kelsey? Whoa. Kelsey, what are you doing?
I like how she slowly goes down now. Oh, she's like,
Oh, hey,
Well.
I could do that.
oh, Chris Kelly didn't tell you guys. She flipped the toy box over because it was empty and it landed on her, so she got.
Oh. Kelsey, that chair's not for
So, yeah, that
eating.
reminded me.
She's underneath it.
I didn't see it, but yeah, that's what Chris Kelly said. I heard her laughing and laughing. Kelly, Kelsey.
Kelsey wasn't laughing at that.
Well, I didn't hear crying. Kelsey.
We could send her to the circus. The first baby that ever... Bonk. Bonk. Oh, now we are on camera laughing at you, bonking your face, Kelsey.
Jesus, it rolls around.
Here, come play with it right here. What you doing, Kelsey? What are you doing?
Taking a break? Taking a cute break?
Oh. Don't fall, because I can't catch you, because I'm videotaping you. Boo! Somebody's getting tired.
She saw it. Sorry.
No, she says. No. Uh-oh.
Can't catch me.
Thank you, Bubba.
He's frantic.
Mm-hmm.
Getting tired.
Uh-oh. 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 doing right here? What do I do?
I go to my other place I get in trouble.
Uh-oh.
To the kitchen floor.
Who's gonna rescue? Oh, bye, Kelsey.